And this is the story of GLH Rail and Civil.
My name is Kelly Cook and I'm a Joint Managing Director of George's Loader Hire. My father George purchased a couple of loaders 25 years ago and worked hard to build relationships with companies like Queensland Rail and Visy Recycling. My brother Cameron and I took over when Dad passed away in 2009, and here we are today, having expanded and diversified, and now one of the largest suppliers to Queensland Rail for rail maintenance. The success of this company is built on strong foundations, teamwork and relationships, and a commitment to provide a life for our family and employees into the future. GLH also has the opportunity to provide secure employment and strong skill sets for employees of all ages, and that's something that I'm really proud of.